Haruru ana te papa ki te whakanui i a Lehi Hohaia, ko mutu āna mahi, hei pirihimana.
And I worked on some harrowing murders in the country, you know, a near glassy child, little baby, and that was pretty sad. And at the end of the day, you know, we've got a job to do and to do the best for our victims.
3 people got locked up for smoking cannabis.
E whā te kaumā whitu tau a Lehi, e mahi pirihimana ana, hei tā ana hoa, he whakangahau tōna momo.
So we were nicknamed the cannabis wing.
I was in armed defenders for 10 years, and the boss has said there, you'll know when you're ready to finish. And I like after being on there for 10 years, I said, no, it's time for the young fellas.
And you are one of those true characters in the organisation that brought that relief when things got tough.
Well, 47 years is a long haul for anyone in this organisation, particularly when you have witnessed everything from the cradle to the grave. So Lehi has seen it all and he's done it all, and a lot of it he's done his way.
Pūkōrero ana a Wallace Haumaha te mihi atu ki tōna whanaunga me tōna hoa, a mahitahi ai rāua mō te rua te kautau.
You know, he worked on the most complex of cases, serious fraud cases, child abuse cases, and a whole lot of other issues. But in the latter part of his career, the last quarter of his career, he took on the role as area Māori liaison officer throughout the Wairiki district.
Ko ia te tino tauira o ngā tangata Māori I roto I ngā pirimana. Ko tēnei te rā whakanui, whakamana, me whakamihi ki aia.
I tōna wā he kaitaka wāinga o Hohaia ki roto rua nei. Hei whakawhanake te horonga kei wāinga nui, te tari pirihimana, me ngā iwi Māori oko nei. He mahi nui anō tōna ki ngā mahi mate waipiro me te mate taru ki ngā hoki.
He nui tōna mana I roto I ngā pirihimana. Ko e te tangata I whakatikitaka, ngā raru I te wā o te pauri, I te wā o te whawhai, I te wā o te pakinga, I te wā o te mātinga I roto I ngā iwi o roto I ngā hāpuri.
You know, it didn't matter what time of day or night, 24/7, he made himself available. And those are the special things where a police officer goes above and beyond the call of his duty.
It's about working with whānau, it's about communities, and it's about all those things that this place like Rotorua should be ticking like.
Ko ana te ngā kaua Lehi, ko oti ngā mahi mo tēnei wā. Hei tāna, ko te whakatā te mahi inaene. Te kawa pāora, mā Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.